If you love serving nachos or you do catering events, this nacho cheese dispenser makes dispensing cheese or even ice cream toppings really ridiculously easy. You just pump it right onto your food, and the pump can rotate 360 degrees so you can position it however you need it. The 2.8 quart stainless steel container holds a lot of sauce, and it can dispense between 1 and 30 cc with each pump. It uses a hot water bath heating system, which keeps the cheese heated evenly without directly heating the sauce, and it only takes about 8 to 10 minutes to preheat. There are 6 temperature settings from 86 to 194 degrees, so you can adjust the heat depending on what you're warming. It's actually pretty cool, and it's not just for nacho cheese. You can use it for hot fudge, caramel, popcorn butter, or even barbecue or other sauces. The pump, lid, and sauce container all come apart for easy cleaning, and it comes with an extra pump too, along with 7 labels for different sauces. I thought this works really great, and it's very efficient for big parties or catering.